Hello teachers and welcome to Classplus. My name is Lavanya and in this video I'm going to discuss with you ways you can achieve work-life balance as a teacher. Being a teacher, an educator or even a content creator, giving lessons is what you do best. However, today I'm here to teach you a very important lesson. Before moving forward, I'd request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon because you don't want to miss out on updates. Do your weekends feel like weekends or are they just weekdays with extra work? If latter is the case, then I've got news, my friend. You need to change your lifestyle and it all begins with a work-life balance. Prioritizing your work before anything else may seem a good thing in your professional life, but believe me, it'll only come to bite you in the long run. Not to worry though, because this video right here will give you a few hacks to achieve that work-life balance while being a successful teacher. The best of both worlds. Without further ado, let's get in. Take a break. Just like students need a refresher, a few minutes to breathe between classes, teachers too need a break. Teaching for about 8 hours for 5 to 6 days a week, managing multiple classes, handling students and their behavior, it's not an easy task. So don't worry if you get overwhelmed or every now and then it's exhausting. That's very natural. In cases like this, just take a break, chill out, go for a movie, get refreshed and come back stronger. Now, when I say breaks, I don't mean 2-3 months long vacations, but you could also do that. I mean, even half a day relaxation at the end of the week or just having a good lunch, speaking to your family, going out with friends, doing whatever refreshes you, listening to music, even that works. Set your priorities straight. Every weekend, list down all your tasks in order of priority. And then when you complete them, give yourself a pat on the back. Give yourself enough leg room and don't rush things to meet it before the deadline. It's okay. Figuring out important and urgent tasks is the key. That way you can plan accordingly and keep enough time for me time. Reach out for help. It's natural to get overwhelmed and exhausted, like I said. So don't hesitate or feel shy to reach out and ask for help from friends, family, or even co-workers. Reaching out to your seniors is a great idea. Having faced what you're facing now, there's no one better who can teach you who's already taught and faced the same problem. As a teacher, you're always helping your students to evolve. Then what stops you from seeking help and helping yourself evolve? Give time to your family and friends. Remember, you have a separate life outside your classroom, and these include friends and family who'd love to spend quality time with you. So there's no harm catching up with friends once a week or even once a month. The quality time you spend with these people is what is going to give you that escape from the work-related stress. Lastly, health comes first. Make sure your dedication is duly assisted by proper focus on physical and mental health. A healthy diet, a proper sleep schedule is paramount. Avoid habits like skipping breakfast because you're running late, or late nights, or not drinking enough water because you know that's harmful. Said habits, for example, skipping breakfast would make you lethargic at school. It leads to lack of energy, lack of focus. So dedicate enough time to eat, sleep, exercise, repeat, and meditate. That's all teachers. Here are some simple yet very effective ways to achieve that work-life balance. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Classplus. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.